Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Perpetual Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Marumo Gallants 1. I'm joined by the best analysts. All Sibo Bafethu, the best analyst Bafethu, Mzansi Bafethu. Yeah, that's a fact. As Africa Siya Bafethu. Preaching to everyone in all 8 corners of the world Bafethu. Yeah, siyabonga sicela nje amagama wami amanzi nangomoya afike ebantwini. Sibo. Yeah. Masingene kuyigame namhlanje bafethu igame enkulu namhlanje sithi we saw ukuthi iPirates drop ama points and today we needed to step it up ukuthi siqale uvula la gap yethu you know baloko bathi siyeza baloko basemuva wethu. So today what happened was it was Marumo Gallants versus Sundowns versus Marumo Gallants la of Chas. So igame mayiqala Sibo Ukados did not have a holding midfielder, a natural number 6. That was number 1. Did not have a natural number 6. He had Racino. He had Allende. He had Nuno Santos. He had Sales. Labantu laba Sibo. Naturally, about Mark. They are not good Mark. Naturally, Labantu laba boy 4. Midfield. And then on the other side, Bebano Manuk. He kept saying which is very poorly in the midfield. They also had Unjo, which is very creative in the midfield and also bully, that likes taking control over a game. So it means Babe no Pegi, Mabo Pamuza. Now Pamuza is very creative in the midfield. So it means Utitina is not creative players, but Sina Mutongas Makela. Which one are they had Oasba Makela and creative players? Right, that's midfield. And then we come to a mover. A mover is not Johannes, Sino Pasatini, Sino Johannes, no Pasatini. Sino Mtunyelwa emuva yangithola riding. So manje masilala abantu laba emuva. uPasatini is not a regular, uJohan is not a regular. Nale medlala uPasatini uyakhupile is not a regular. So sibo labantu laba ngoma regular bebengekho on form yangithola. And then uRosino what was happening? uRosino makarisiba amabhola meka wa loser. He's not a regular, confidence yakhe akabi lapha yapa. So what they will do, they will trap uRosino, even no Johannes. They will trap uRosino no Johannes. Ukuthi mabarisiba amabhola babathathele wona. That's why first up you saw as if in the upper hand in Marumo Gallants in terms of ball recovery. They'll recover more balls than us first half because of one. Johannes, no Raiden, no Rosino, Baluza Mapola Manning, and our midfielder weights are not naturally good at what? Mark. That's number 1. So coach Waibona Lentole, which know how much the money Polayadal, but work mark away good. And then we consider the goal, penalty, and then we consider the goal after we have scored, isn't it? Master Spoo has second half because I'm going to shine his card. What he did, his commit was 1-1. The first thing China Sayenzi, Uktonza one of the centre backs, Abakeep, Afahumko in that centre backs. Meaning that is going all out. Yeah, attack. You understand the riding left. Magata Oyenza, was actually made use of Susa on the left, I'm letter on the right. But Satu Sales, Usalem, I'm letter on the left. Meaning that they have to give us what? Width. Young Chol. I want to send up a width of which is balance. Passes no balance. Man, instead of cutting us Mutos Makela. Man says no Mutos Makela. So no Mukwena, Guno Alend, says Nabantabas Makela Parach. So what he did, because Johannes Mazangam keep, he said Johannes Mzofaraban Ukekan, among Ukekan, I'm pushing Johannes no longer have responsibility. So to Calipol, Ukekan. When I just make sure we are mark, we are Buyamu for your mark. I am right back. I'm going right back. I'm push. So I'm push. Go right. I'm push. Go right winger. What's that? To make sure Uti La Part is compact and still we have you with Johannes, we have you with Musale. So on transition we were fast because Pambil, Uno Sale, Uno Matthews, Uno riding the Sakas Fagil, Reina. So that is how smart he was. Ule came in a tactically came. That's why he managed to win the game. So they say a transition. Labona Konuti came okay saying I win. I'm just 2-1. Ulafa Konukekana to consolidate la Pemuvala to solidify a move. I think spot on.
Awunswe.
Coach spot on. Yabona kulena shayela izandla. Carlos was a genius.
Yeah. No one afune.
He was a genius on this one.
Man of the match.
So Thibo, for me, man of the match is Thibo. Basimnikeni uCarlos bafethu. Basimnikeni ucoach. But grounding for me, grounding uAlendo uyakhula. Like Alendo since he arrived in South Africa. Ufike South Africa afana nabo abo Nuno, afana nabo abo Rosino, ukuyiplayer engamaki kakhulu. But he's growing. You can see ukuthi uyazama ukubuye emuva amaki akhave. So for that I'll give him the man of the match. He tried.
Thank you. Quality ntwana.